Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and this is a continuation of the whole pizza toppings API. So the pizza toppings API was all created in the first video. So that API is created, it works. I just want to show you sort of the early stages of creating a front end for that. So I'm going to create another folder. So test A is where I have my pizza API. I'm going to create another folder called test 8 front end, because we're going to do 3 videos on this. First one, we're going to do one with Jquery. Okay. Then we'll do one with Vue, then we'll do one with React. So actually, I'll just make all 3 folders now. Vue, React. So that way you've seen all 3 versions of this journey. And inside the Jquery one, we're going to create a... Oh, I see I put the Vue and the React folders in the wrong place, but I'll fix that in a second. An index.html and an app.js. Okay, let's just move the Vue folder back into here. Move. And then move the React folder back into here. Cool. That's how that should look. So what I am going to do is first we set up our boilerplate. Okay, and then I need to connect Jquery. So I'm going to head over to code.jquery.com. Get the code. Okay, and then for Jquery, we want to add a defer tag. And then we want to add a link to our script, app.js. And all I'm going to really do is just fetch the pizzas. I'm not going to go too crazy here. Okay, so I'm just going to create a div here. Okie dokie, with a UL. So I want to open this up with live server. Okay, nothing there yet. Now let's go to app.js. Again, this is Jquery. And wait, did I add a defer keyword onto my script tag as well? Nope. So let's do that. Okay, and first we just need to get the data. Okay. So let's see here. Async. I want to do it all in a sync away. So first we're just going to do const get pizzas equals, and we're just going to do const pizzas equals, fetch, actually this is going to be response, equals fetch localhost http/localhost 3002/pizza. Then we're going to take that response and make pizzas out of it. Pizzas equals response.json. And again, we need to use a sync await. So I need to make this a sync here. And then await. And cool, let's just make sure that we're getting the right information. Console.log. Pizzas. Okay. Now it's just like they do here, main app logic. This is where the code actually starts executing, because I just defined the function up there. So let's actually use the function get pizzas, and let's just make sure that's working. Okay. And yep, there's our pizzas. So let's make sure that it's all looking the way we expect it to. Pizzas, name, pepperoni, vegetarian, false, good. Chicken, pineapple, fajita, or pastrami. Okay, but they're all there. Good. So that we know that we're getting the pizza data. So then what we're going to do is we're going to create another function that populates the data. Const show pizzas equals, and then we're going to pass in the pizza data. Pizzas. And this is going to basically pizzas dot for each. And that UL that's on the screen, I want to create a variable for that. So here, I'll start breaking this down. Functions, global variables. Just so that way my code's all organized. So const UL equals UL. Grab that UL. I want that available. Okay, pizzas dot for each. Trying to think if that's the way I want to do it. Yeah, I'll do that. Pizzas dot for each. And again, we're going to do this for each pizza. So for each pizza, what I want to do is create a new UL. So UL equals a new UL tag. Dot HTML. So I'm just gonna plop some HTML in there with backticks. Make this a little bit easier. Okay, so first we'll have an H1 with the pizzas.name. Pizza.name. H1. Then we want the list of toppings. H2. Let's see here. How do I want to do that? Let's do pizza.toppings.map, because I don't want the whole thing with the ID and whether it's vegetarian or not. I just want the name. So pizza.topping.map. Okay, and map. Let's see. So for each individual topping, all I really want to return is the topping.name. So we're going to make an array of strings. That's what that will return. But then I don't want an array of strings. I want the strings. So then what I want to do is I want to dot join it. So it turns into that array turns into a string, and then they're all going to be combined with a comma. Okay, so that way it's going to just show you all the different toppings with a comma between each one. And that's an H2. Because again, this interpolation thing here, I can put any expression in here. So this is technically one JavaScript expression that gives me back the string of toppings. So that will do that. And that works for me. And then what I'm going to do is take the... Oh no, this should be an LI, that's right. I don't want to create a new UL, I want to create a new LI. So list item for our UL. So then we take the UL dot append the LI, and that should do that. Save. And then we want to show, instead of, now this function is going to end by passing in the pizzas to the show pizzas function. Okay, and let's see if it works. Yep, it works. Okay, so you can see like the feed of pizza has chicken, onions, and peppers. So that whole string thing worked. Okay, so there we go. We made a quick, so basically what I did is I created one function to pull from the API, and after it pulls from the API, it passes it into the show pizza function. Those are the two functions I made, and then I just kickstart this just runs right away. And we rendered the data to the DOM. Very nice. Okay. Now I'll show you guys how to do the same thing in Vue and then in React. You guys have a good one. Ciao.